Hey there, folks. Today, we're going to take a virtual tour of a fascinating landmark in Birmingham, Alabama's the Vulcan statue. So buckle up and let's dive right in. The Vulcan statue, standing tall at 56 feet, is the largest cast iron statue in the world. It's a symbol of Birmingham's industrial heritage. As we pan around the statue, we can see the beautiful surroundings, offering a stunning view of the city. As we zoom in, we can see the intricate details of the statue. From the muscular arms to the flowing hair. The statue was designed by a local artist, Giuseppe Moretti, and was completed in 1904. It's made of cast iron, which was a popular material for industrial structures at the time. The statue is a tribute to Vulcan, the Roman god of fire and metalworking. And it's a reminder of Birmingham's rich history in iron and steel production. The Vulcan Park and Museum, where the statue is located, offers a variety of exhibits and activities for visitors to enjoy. The park also hosts events throughout the year, making it a popular destination for both locals and tourists alike. Now, let's take a closer look at the statue's base. The inscription on the base reads, "Vulcan, God of the Forge, Father of the City, symbol of Birmingham, Alabama." This inscription serves as a reminder of the city's past and its resilience in the face of adversity. As we move on to the next scene, we can see the statue from a different angle, showcasing its impressive size and the surrounding cityscape. The Vulcan statue is truly a sight to behold, and it's no wonder it's such a popular attraction in Birmingham. In conclusion, the Vulcan statue is a must-see landmark in Birmingham, Alabama. It's a testament to the city's history and a symbol of its resilience. I hope you enjoyed this virtual tour of the Vulcan statue. And if you're ever in Birmingham, I highly recommend paying it a visit. Thank you for joining me on this journey, and if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting travel and landmark tours. Until next time, safe travels.